Albert and MoneyLion Instacash. Both help users access money before payday, but they work differently depending on your account, eligibility, and the features you need. By the end, you'll know how Albert and MoneyLion Instacash compare for cash advances, approval process, fees, and which app may fit your situation better. The main difference is how each app approaches early access to money. Albert focuses on financial tools combined with cash advances, while MoneyLion Instacash focuses on providing eligible users access to funds before their next paycheck. First, compare how the cash advance process works. Albert reviews your financial information to determine whether you qualify for its cash advance feature. The app connects with your accounts and uses your available information to determine eligibility. MoneyLion Instacash also reviews your linked account information before showing whether you qualify. Your available amount and access options depend on your personal account details and eligibility. The faster option depends on your setup. If your account is already connected and your information is complete, either app may provide a smoother experience than starting from the beginning. Next, look at the extra features. Albert is designed as more than just a cash advance app. It combines money management features with access to funds, which can be useful for users who want budgeting and financial tracking tools in the same place. MoneyLion combines Instacash with other financial products inside its app. Users who already use MoneyLion may prefer keeping their financial tools together in one account. Fees are another area to compare. Both apps can have different costs depending on the service options you choose. Before requesting money, check the exact fee and the amount you will receive. Your choice depends on what you need most. If you want an app that combines cash advances with broader money management features, Albert may be worth comparing. If you already use MoneyLion or want access to its financial ecosystem, Instacash may be more convenient. The best way to decide is to check your actual eligibility and available options inside both apps, because offers can vary between users. To summarize, Albert and MoneyLion Instacash both provide early access to money, but they differ in their additional features and user experience. Compare approval, availability, fees, and transfer options before choosing. Check both apps with your own account information, then choose the one that gives you the better option for your needs. Subscribe for more clear comparisons of money apps and financial tools.